In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu font color in WordPress. This is a simple yet effective way to add a personal touch to your website and ensure it aligns with your overall design aesthetic. Whether you want your menu to stand out or subtly blend into the rest of the page, adjusting the font color is an easy customization that makes a significant difference. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you can modify and manage different aspects of your site. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Appearance. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you'll select Customize. The Customize section is a powerful tool that lets you make live changes to your theme and preview them before you apply them. Next, you'll land on the Customizer screen. Depending on your theme, the options you'll see here can vary, but generally, you'll want to go to Additional CSS. This is where all the magic happens. You'll be using CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, which is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in HTML. It might sound complex, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Inside the Additional CSS panel, you'll enter a new piece of code. It's quite straightforward. The code you're going to add looks like this: .main navigation a color 000000. Here, the .main navigation a targets the menu items, and the color property specifies the new font color you want for your menu in hexadecimal format. If you're not familiar with hex codes, a quick search online will help you find a color that suits your design perfectly. In the example, I've used 000000, which is black, but feel free to replace this with any color you prefer. After adding your custom CSS, you'll notice a preview on the right side of the screen that reflects your changes in real time. Take a careful look to ensure that the new color complements your overall site design. When you're satisfied with how it looks, click the Publish button at the top of the customizer. This will save your changes and apply the new font color to the live site. It's a good idea to check how the new color appears across various devices. Sometimes colors look different on mobile versus desktop, so make sure everything looks just right on multiple screen sizes. And that's it. You have successfully changed your menu font color in WordPress. It's a small tweak, yet it can have a big impact on the first impression visitors have of your site. Feel free to experiment with different shades and hues until you find the one that captures your brand's essence. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!